long-term stress life cycles in our own mind, but there's no guarantee of results even after that. So beyond number crunching and beyond economics and beyond all of that, there's a lot of strength of character, emotion, intelligence also required in our jobs today, and I'm sure that's the same in other finance jobs. I haven't been able to escape economics at all in my job till now. I'll give you an example. Just very recently, we were analyzing a project for one of our clients where we are financing the project, and we have a foreign investor who's looking at a foreign investment in an Indian project, where the revenue from the project is essentially rupee denominated, and the investment into it is foreign denominated. The first question that comes to their mind is what's going to be the the depreciation of the rupee in the next many years against the dollar. And there's an economic theory that says interest rate parity. The higher the interest rate of a country or inflation rate parity. There are different theories to sort of gauge that, and we get into these kind of conversations with our clients, and it's surprising. So many years back, I never thought that such detailed level of economics will ever treasury and other areas of banking. Today. There's this whole think tank which is dedicated to central bankers across the world, with trillions of dollars being printed in, say, United States, where that money funnels into India. Europe, Brexit is happening. Analyzing central banker decisions. What's the Fed going to do in the next meeting? What's the RBI going to do? How much of the repo rate cut of an RBI is going to trickle down to Indian corporates? I just read an article today. Said that it's become fashionable to question Raghuram Rajan or to criticize him for the low growth rate of loans in the country today. But if you go and see the non-performing asset mark today in corporates, that's also very high. So the ability to analyze and appreciate these kind of movements within your economy, within the banking world is very essential. I think institutes like Meghnad, Desai, give you the essential tools to be able to read through and get your head around these kind of gauges of the economy. But I will come back to always say that I read a lot of Warren Buffett, and he says that we don't have to be more intelligent than the rest. We have to be more disciplined, or possibly more hardworking than the rest. There is a study that Fidelity did many years back, where they analyzed which client accounts delivered the maximum returns in the stock markets, and they found out, very interestingly, is that people who stick to their investments the longest versus others who sort of sell out much earlier, panic and sell out much earlier, tend to deliver the best returns on their stock market investments. That requires a lot of patience, strength of character, discipline, to not keep switching on CNBC day in and day out, and you get the drift of what I say. So when we recruit people, we don't only look at number crunching skills. We also look at as Rima said, positivity, ability to endure. Because our transaction life cycles in banking and investment banking are so large, so long. Ability to endure difficulties and setbacks and keep coming back. There's a lot of investment banking and financial services is that. Beyond Meghnad, Desai, and beyond, that'll give you the ability to get into analyzing data, but to be able to have the ability to sell that to the client and face those setbacks is a lot beyond that as well.